factored into this as well, and could actually still today. We're watching some northeast locations, high tide coming in about 8 o'clock this morning up here into coastal areas of Rhode Island, Massachusetts. There could be some minor flooding. We still have that onshore wind that's getting us up here with that east wind. Nantucket 22 miles per hour. Look at Philly, still pretty windy at winds gusting up over 13 to 15 miles per hour, even gusts a little higher than that at times. All right, so we got the wind. There's the low right there. You can see it really nicely in our wind streams. As that continues to move up along the coast, we're going to see the rain actually move with it and move out. Still have some showers sticking around the Philadelphia area, though those are few and farther between. Low clouds are going to be your biggest problem at the airport today, and expecting delays to come in at Philly. You got a 500-foot ceiling. That is a recipe for delays for you there. LaGuardia, we've got some showers still possible, but by far the big rain is over. So you guys picked up, about an inch or less than that, actually, for the most part across parts of Long Island. We go into southern New England, where we picked up anywhere from an inch and a half to 2.5 inches of rain. There's still one more big slug of moisture yet to come in, and that will give us another dousing of rainfall here. And then I think it'll just be showery and then drizzly into the afternoon. So let's time it out. We'll show you what happens today on your Wednesday. Umbrellas needed, yes. Rain boots, maybe not, because it won't be quite as wet as it was yesterday. We'll have, fewer and farther showers as we get you into later today. And by tonight, things are starting to wind down. Tomorrow morning, though, could be a little foggy and still a little drizzly. It is taking us a week to get rid of this low pressure and the impacts from it. So we'll still feel, I think, some of the impacts tomorrow morning. Again, the big rain is probably wrapping up today in Maine. We'll see about 1 to 2 inches when we get that big slug of moisture coming in there. Other than that, it's moving out. All right, so you guys are going to get, I think, the most rain yet to come. Portland, we got about an inch in your forecast. Same thing in Rockland. Augusta, we've got about an inch ahead for you. Today's the rainy day. Tonight's just showers, and then by tomorrow morning, it's fog. And by the afternoon, maybe we'll get some breaks in those clouds. Maybe Reynolds here. We'll see.
All right, thanks so much. Hey,
let's take you into the forecast here. They're going to get a lot of good pictures this week here, looking at storm clouds, although there might be so many that you don't actually get that, sort of solo cloud. Storms, of course, today. We'll talk more about that coming up. Moving east tomorrow, southeast storms coming your way. And then the weekend event gets ongoing. We're going to have a stormy, very wet couple of days with some heavy rain potential right into the midsection of the country. Dallas and include you by Sunday, Memphis.
All right, AMHQ is your travel headquarters. Yeah, easy to see plain as day. The roadways are pretty rough. Plain as day, you can see that too.
All right, so we got some delays in the air already as well. Philly running about 45-minute delays, but it's not for everyone. Only for coming from Cleveland or Boston or New York here. So it's, minor 45-minute ground stop. But we started the ground delay program at LaGuardia. As you can imagine, delays through the day today.
Absolutely. With that delay, we're going to show you what's happening out there. The rain is going to be kind of sporadic at times on and off. Kansas City, you see it coming down. You've got 47 degrees. This shot compliments of MoDOT. More rain possibly in the forecast over the next several days for this part of the region. All
right, Kansas City, let's show you what's coming your way, because we do have a pretty busy day throughout the Midwest today and into the plains. Midwest plains, what do you call Kansas City? We've had this discussion
I would say it's kind of the plains, definitely.
It's a little of both, I think.
Yeah.
Either way, you will have some showers and storms out there through the morning. As you get into the afternoon here, it'll be less and less, but there's going to be a lot of active weather in the area. So I think air travel still could be disrupted, even if you aren't getting rain right at the airport.
Yeah, that's right. Rough stuff there. Certainly some rough stuff northeast of Quincy for the time being. 72 looks like a mess, no question.